let's see what we have here from APR. Wow, they really take this bad boy up. I didn't know about that since somebody opened this before. We have our stern upper control arms for the Audi A4 B7. They work for a couple other models too. Look pretty nice. No play. And I'll explain to why you have to end up buying these. In a few. Okay, so we've got the SPC upper control arms, and you're wondering why are we changing it out for the stern. If you look at the stern, you'll see it has no motion up and down inside of this head here, and this ball joint is fine. These are rebuildable, so I mean, instead of paying another $500+ for another set, you can just buy the rebuild kit and work from there. If you want to know what's wrong with these current ones, and it's actually only one arm out of the four. It's been on the car for about 3 years to the day, so I guess they're out of the life. I tried to look for a rebuild kit, but it seems like no one has a rebuild kit for this. If you look at it, when you pull this up and down, it's got a little bit of a motion and it has a clink. It actually clicks in there, so the ball joint is most probably done. So let's start taking it out and we'll go from there. Okay, use our 16mm. Let's see if we can slack this off. Alright, the old arm, what I did is I measured from dead center of the hole on the back end to the center of the ball joint on the other end, and I'll transfer those measurements to the new arms and install. So I actually put a bolt straight through just to see them line up, and check the points at the bottom here and look at the back of it to see center to center. And we're pretty close, but the alignment shop is what's going to really finish it off. We're going to install our pinch bolt and nut now. Pinch bolt needs to be torqued to 30 foot-pounds, and what we're going to do after that is we're going to jack up this suspension until it reaches the top, and then we'll tighten the rear bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Okay, our stern upper control arms are installed on the A4B7. They look pretty good. I got them as close as possible to the SPC arms that I removed in length. I will have to take it to an alignment shop to have them redo the alignment on the car to make sure this is correct. As I said before, this bolt right here, the pinch bolt, was to 30 pound-feet. The rear one back there is 37 pound-feet. Was able to get them both done fairly well. Looks like a quality product. Only issue I would say is that I wish it came with a dust boot, but I guess that's why they make them rebuildable.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep renting.